We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam, and I'm working with the Brother L5200dw. So first thing, you want to pull your tray out. So these are just some simple things, precautions that you can take while changing out your paper, things like that. That way you can eliminate any jams you may have. So you never want to take your old paper and or new paper and stick it in on your old paper. If you do that, a lot of times the paper won't be even. So if it's not even and the top paper is lower than the bottom paper, it's going to try to pick up the bottom paper first and result causing a jam. So when you have new paper and you're adding it to old paper, go ahead and combine the two. And then we're in Oklahoma, so it gets pretty humid and there's a lot of condensation sometimes. So I like to fan my paper out. That way the pages don't stick together. Realign your paper, and then you can put it in your tray. You also have these adjustments here. Make sure it's in a correct place for the size of paper that you're using. And then you also have these little max level tabs here. So this, if you fill the paper over it, the paper is going to be too tight and your printer will not be able to pick it up. If it's too loose underneath, then it could be possible that the printer won't pick up the paper then as well either. So just make sure it's not too full or too crowded, and you guys should be good to go. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.